Stevon NextLevel Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I want to share with you how to get your first 65 subscribers. Stay with me and watch this video all the way to the end. I'm going to share 3 powerful quick tips to share with you that has worked for me. You do not want to miss what we're getting into. Let's do this. So let's get into this. How can we do this? How to get your first 65 subscribers. Now, before you laugh, I know it seems kind of like, 65, but it is actually a YouTube. It's a milestone of 2, buddy, to be more distinct. It's a milestone of 2. They give you a landmine or a milestone, and 65 subscribers is one. When it comes to getting your first 65 subscribers, I've learned to redefine what having a niche is, redefine my whole meaning of a niche. And I had to come up with my own definition. Maybe this might work for you. My definition, next level, is doing something that I love, that I can do over and over, that other people also enjoy. Another way to say it is doing something that I could do for the rest of my life and have fun with it. Finding other people, a group of certain people that also enjoy what I do. If that's what you want to call a niche, that can be your niche. That can be my niche. Finding something that you love to do. So that's the first thing. And the reason that's important when it comes to subscribers is because those who will choose to subscribe, they'll be part of a group. They'll be part of a segment who have identified something that you do that they also enjoy doing, and that connection will happily and hopefully get them to hit that subscribe button to do that. So redefine what it is to have a niche. Matter of fact, I put a video together for get niches and just do you. I'll put a link for that maybe in the description. Get your new definition of what it means to have a niche. Find that, something that you love to do, that others can love to do, that you can do for the rest of your life or for a long time. We want to get this thing. That's how we're going to grow. Get your first 65 subscribers. The second thing that has helped me is to begin to record those videos. Go ahead and put together at least 30 video ideas, different topics that you can come up with in your area of expertise or in your area of interest. You've already identified in that first step something that you can do and that you love to do and you find that others love. Get you at least 30 video ideas. And what that's going to help you to do, it's going to help you to really solidify the idea that this is definitely something that you could do for a while. That's what I would do. At least 30 video ideas. We're thinking long-term success, and just go ahead and get started. I like this other content creator, Sean Kennel. You might catch him live sometimes, and he says just got to go ahead and press record. Just go ahead and get started. You got to fail forward, as he says. And another thing that he says is start before you're ready. So come up with 30 ideas. And what that's going to do, it's going to get you prepared for that long-term goal, because sometimes subscribers don't come right away. And that's one thing I've learned in my journey. They don't come right away, but if I can get those 30 ideas ready to record those videos, then I can be ready for the next step. And that is to put those things together. Start before you're ready. Start creating the content that's in your area of enjoyment that you know other people would enjoy. Get those 30 video ideas together. Third thing that has helped me to get my first 65 subscribers is to ask for it. Sometimes we just have to ask. A lot of times we don't even ask for it. Matter of fact, if you haven't subscribed to Next Level, hit the subscribe button for more videos and live streams just like this. And a lot of times I found in my life the reason I didn't ask is because I didn't think I deserved it. But guess what? You put together your video topics, you decided to redefine your definition of what having a niche is all about, and now you're deciding to just go ahead and ask for it. You are worthy of it. You're worthy of it. Ask for it. And that's what we have to learn how to do. Stay with me because I've got a few bonus points that I want to share with you. Matter of fact, a couple of things that other YouTubers will not tell you. A lot of times because they're just simply not asked. When it comes to getting your first 65 subscribers, one thing that I've learned is that it's all about the time frame. A lot of times, even in my own journey, when I've watched different content creators online, I may not subscribe right away. I may watch one video, I may come back and even watch another video before I hit that subscribe button. So remember this, in your journey, a lot of times, it's going to take a little while before people subscribe. I put together another video about if YouTube is for you and how to decide before you say I'm done. And one of those points, it talked about being able to go at least for a whole year without having nobody watch your content. If you're able to do that, then you're all right. and you'll be able to succeed on this platform. So I would say just don't get discouraged when those subscribers don't come right away. It took me a while to get it, but I had to implement those strategies. As a matter of fact, I wrote down a few things I want to share with you when it comes to subscribers. If you lose subscribers, I've had times when I've lost a few, and you will hear other content creators. They'll tell you how a lot of times they'll lose more subscribers than they were able to gain. And then they were able to gain more than they lost on certain videos. So it'll fluctuate. So keep that in mind. Subscriber counts will fluctuate. Another bonus point is these are real people. Matter of fact, I want to show some love right now to all of my subscribers. All of you who've been putting it down with me, you've been with me from the beginning. Thank you so much. That means a lot. This wouldn't be the same without you. And if you haven't subscribed, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, always have what you need to keep you on that positive path over here. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Join the family. So now listen, when it comes to having that energy, having that mindset that you're going to continue to get the subscribers, you know, it's a long journey. When it comes to having that mindset that you're going to stay in this game, a lot of times it's about being able to maintain our creative status, being able to maintain the creative mindset. Watch this video. It's going to show you how to maintain the creator's mindset. Keep your mind in that creative mode and prepare yourself to get the subscribers you deserve. So watch that video. See me over there. Stay blessed. Stay positive. I'll see you on the next level.